Hello, V-Team. Yeah, for an applause. It's a happy Tuesday. Thank you so much for tuning in. Listen, we've got a special show for you today. We're kicking off Hispanic Heritage Month with our SOMOS ERG. But before we get to that, I do want to make sure that you've heard the latest and greatest about our current deals and promos. So, as a reminder, iPhone 15, it's here, along with the new Apple Watch Series 9 and Apple Watch Ultra 2. All of Apple's new products will be available in Verizon stores this Friday. So make sure you tell your friends and family that for a limited time, new Verizon customers and existing customers adding a new line on the unlimited ultimate plan can get iPhone 15 Pro on us or up to $1,000 off any iPhone 15 model with any iPhone trade-in guaranteed. Now, if you're looking to upgrade, existing customers can upgrade and get up to $830 off the new iPhone 15 lineup with select trade-in on qualified unlimited plans. So stay tuned to Up to Speed for more info on when iPhone 15 will be available for employees. All right, now turning to another great deal on Plus Play, our subscription hub to shop, manage, and save. Buy a year of Stars or AMC Plus and get Netflix Premium all on us. Perfect timing to watch hit shows exclusive to Stars like Outlander, The Walking Dead spinoff, Daryl Dixon on AMC Plus. Anyone know that one? And team, I've had the opportunity to meet with many of you in Richardson, Texas, Cary, North Carolina, and Boston, Massachusetts. Now, during my visit in Richardson, President of Global Networks and Technology, Joe Russo, alongside his leadership team, hosted a town hall answering questions in what was a packed house. Plus, I was able to tour one of our labs, and I got a lesson in fiber optics from Joe Russo himself. I also made a visit to the retail store in Southlake, Texas, where I met rockstar retail V-Teamers and Coastal Plains Market President Michelle Miller. Plus, in Boston and Cary, Craig Silliman, President of Verizon Global Services, and his leadership team also hosted not one, but 2 town halls. And the V-Team brought the energy. And before we left Boston, we were also lucky to visit our store right below the beautiful Boston office and meet even more of our V-Team. All right, now what we're all here for. Like I mentioned earlier, today we're kicking off Hispanic Heritage Month, and I'd like to welcome Somos' very own Joe Nieves to help us get started. Hey, Joe. All right. So good to have you here today.
Thanks for having me. I'm excited.
All right, good. It's an exciting time. Now, I know every year there's a theme, so can you talk about what this year's theme is?
Sure. Raquel, our Hispanic Heritage Month theme is Todos Somos, Somos Uno. We are all, we are one. The theme reinforces the diversity inherent within the Hispanic community, as well as the power that comes from being a united community. It also highlights the need to ensure diverse voices and perspectives are welcomed in the decision-making process to build stronger communities. All things that Verizon is committed to and stands by.
Absolutely. Now, speaking of community, it's so important, especially in spaces like work. It's really good to have that at work. Can you talk about how it feels to be able to have that community of Somos here at Verizon?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, to me, it means the world because Somos represents the voice of the Hispanic and Latinx community, plus its allies at Verizon. We represent 20 countries and territories with deep, vibrant traditions and a wide variety of cultures.
That's awesome. Now, speaking of Somos, I heard that you all have a new video.
Yes, we do.
What do you think? Should we show them?
I think we should. Let's do it.
I joined SOMOS so that I could become more active in my community.
To reconnect with my roots, my history, my culture, mi cultura.
What I love most about being a SOMOS member is the volunteer work that this organization does.
What I would say to somebody who's thinking about joining is stop thinking, just join.
It's hugely developmental, both from a getting to do things you wouldn't do as part of your day job, as well as learning more about what could be your next step in your career.
You don't have to be Hispanic or Latino to join SOMOS. Join us.
We are Somos.
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 The voice of the Hispanic and Latinx community here at Verizon.
Todos somos uno.
We are all.
We are one.
One.
We are one.
All right. We are one. I love it. All right, now, Joe, let's talk about something called Global Choice. Now, folks, if you don't know, Global Choice is an international long-distance calling plan. You can choose from 140 countries, pick a country that you frequently call, and you can get up to 300 minutes. Customers can get Global Choice for just $10 a month per line per country. But listen, V-Team, if you are a Verizon employee on the employee phone program, you can get Global Choice for just $5 a month. What do you think, Joe?
I think it's great. I think that many of the Global Choice countries celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month. I think that's awesome, including Costa Rica, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, Nicaragua, Chile, and Mexico. And what better way to celebrate Hispanic Heritage Month than to stay connected with your loved ones no matter where they are in the world?
Absolutely. A lot of countries on the roster. That's
Yeah.
good. All right, now another integral part to our ERGs are our executive sponsors. So, Joe, what do you say? I think it's time to introduce Somos' executive
I think so,
sponsor.
yeah.
We've got Vandana coming on up. Vandana, thank you so much for joining us. Now, I know that being an executive sponsor is such a unique opportunity. So can you tell us about what that means to you to be able to do that for Somos?
Absolutely. I'm honored to be the sponsor for Somos. As Joe said before, Somos represents the voice of the Hispanic and Latinx community, more than 20 countries, territories, and cultures. This is a vibrant, multifaceted, multi-ethnic group of people whose roots stem from Mexico, Caribbean, Central and South America, and Spain. And this year's theme of Todos Somos Uno, we are all, we are one, perfectly captures this idea that when we welcome diverse perspectives to the table, we are stronger and we can achieve better outcomes for our stakeholders and our communities. More and more operating with this mindset of inclusion and belonging is a business imperative for us as we seek to support our customers and employees who come from different backgrounds and experiences. And bringing them together through shared goals and values is important for us to succeed as a team. So, Todos somos uno. So I'm thrilled to be the sponsor for Somos and excited to make this vision a reality.
Awesome. Later today at 3 p.m. Eastern Time, Vandana, you'll be kicking off Hispanic Heritage Month at an exciting event right here at the Basking Ridge lobby.
Yeah.
Can you tell us more what we can expect from that event?
Yeah, sure. Let me start with a fun fact, though, about Hispanic Heritage Month that I learned recently. You probably already know it, which is, do you know why Hispanic Heritage Month begins in the middle of the month rather than on the first of the month? So choosing September 15th when this was started was important because it is symbolic and it coincides with the Independence Days of Costa Rica, El Salvador, Guatemala, Honduras, and Nicaragua. And other countries like Mexico, Chile, Belize celebrate their independence on September 16th, 18th, and the 21st. So this is a great way to celebrate Independence Days and to acknowledge all of these cultural and historic traditions. So at Verizon at 3 today, we're celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month with a kickoff, and we'll have celebrations virtually from a number of locations, including Texas, Arizona, and California. And at the kickoff, we'll be learning a lot more, hopefully fun facts, about Hispanic Heritage Month, and also have an opportunity to do some volunteer work. So look forward to seeing you all there.
That's awesome. Thank you for that fun fact. I actually didn't know that.
Thank you.
And also, V-Team, if you want to join in, there are so many different ways you can celebrate with us. You can join virtually here in person, or with Vandana here in Basking Ridge, or join Michelle Miller in our Irving, Texas office, in Chandler and Arizona with Retail Director Monica Pate, or in Irvine, California with Market President Stephen Keller. Plus, there are so many watch parties in our offices all across. We've got one in Garden City, New York, one in Miami, Florida, and another in Irvine, California. So Vandana, thank you so much for helping us kick off Hispanic Heritage Month.
That's great.
Thank you. All right. What else we got going on, Joe?
Well, there are also additional events happening all month long, like a fireside chat on October 12th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time with Robert Fisher, VP of Federal Government Relations, and Rudy Reyes, VP of Government Affairs. We'll talk about initiatives and actions relating to Hispanic and Latinx community. Plus, we're lucky to have Vandana joining us again on Wednesday, October 11th from 12 to 2 p.m. Eastern Time for an International Day of the Girl event.
Awesome, looking forward to that. And moving on to other events that happened over this weekend, Verizon partnered yet again with the 90s Pop Tour concert in Las Vegas, engaging with over 6,000 fans to kick off Hispanic Heritage Month and celebrate Mexican Independence Day. We've also got a chance to work with two of the artists from the show to surprise and delight customers with tickets to the concert at the Nellis Boulevard Verizon store in Las Vegas. All right, now throughout the month, we are going to continue celebrating Hispanic Heritage Month with a series of local activities throughout the country, so definitely stay tuned. With that, team, I hope you have a great rest of your day. Joe, thank you so much for joining me today. This was great co-hosting. You can come anytime. Don't tell Jen.
It has been my pleasure. I won't say anything. We have to take that out.
We'll take that out.
Thanks for having me. I also want to thank all of the V-teamers who are here in the audience with us live today. And I want to give a special shout out to Elisanet Rodriguez, our global lead at SOMOS. Thank you.
Thank you, Eltonette. All right, tomorrow we have a special Up to Speed you won't want to miss, so be sure to tune in at 2 p.m. Eastern. To sign us off, let's hear it from Richardson, Texas.